Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie, and if you're wondering how I came from that to this, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I do my Flexi Rod set so it can stay looking nice for a long period of time. Nice and shiny, healthy looking. I love it. Just by using a few products, you can achieve this look. It's not too hard. Just stay tuned.
Do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah, yeah. Only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat.
We're back.
Should they fold that bitch no yoga mat?
As you can see. And I'm going to use this quadrant so you guys can actually see what kind of technique I'm using to hold the Flexi Rod and start off my Flexi Rod. So pretty much I'm going to go with some sacred oil just to make sure my hair is hydrated in this section, in this part. Not too much. It's very much, I won't say, it's a medium weight oil. Especially for like if you have dense or thicker hair, it's gonna be very much light. But if you have thin and fine hair, it weigh it down a little bit. But I just make sure, especially on my ends, that it is spread throughout. On my finger, nice and soft. I believe these are 7-inch, and then I think these are 10 inches. They still the same width and size. I just got one was longer than the other. The shorter ones are around my face and the perimeter of my head, and the longer ones are like in the center, so that when I sleep they're not as difficult. So I part my hair in 4 quadrants, and then the front quadrants have 8 rods, and then the back has 7. That's just how it just happened to fit in my head. They're very much small to medium sized quadrants. Then I divide it into like, different smaller pieces inside of the quadrant. So what I did was I started off braiding, and then I made sure the Flexi Rod was curled away from my face. And then I folded to hold it and make sure I put some extra of the foam to solidify the ends. Make sure your ends are extremely flat. Like, they should be flat. Do not let them be frizzy at all, because tomorrow you're gonna be crying. So let me get started on this piece, and I'm gonna slow it down and zoom in. That way you can see what I'm doing exactly, so that way you have a really good base for the next day.
Chat. Should I dare that nigga don't hit me back? Chat. Should I ran that nigga no questions asked? Chat. They chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a little sad thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to look good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vibe.
Some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I gave you this type of feel, you ain't accustomed to. I swear I need peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's
But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it.
Let's see how it looks tomorrow. Back, it's 16 hours later, and I'm ready to take this out. Some of these are starting to fall down already because I was sleeping crazy, but I'm gonna take a little bit of this oil sheen just to give my hair just a little slight. I'll spray more. I'll spray more later, but I just want to make sure like my hair has some type of moisturization. Then I'm gonna go in with the sacred oil and I'll put it in my hands just to make sure, you know, I can easily slip through and detangle. I won't say detangle, but break up my curls as easy as possible. So just put a little bit on my fingertips. So we're gonna start off with this first one here. Just undo the L shape and then boom. This is what the first curl is looking like. Really cute, giving a little Shirley Temple. Remember that you have started the roots of your hair with a braid, so you're just gonna figure out where that section's at, and then you're going to lightly, without messing up your curls, undo your braid. Ooh, this smells good. Okay. My hair is now divided into 3. And of course, I'll pick it and define nice and healthy and hydrated, real cute. Just make sure your fingertips are moisturized so that way you can take down your coils a little bit easier. So once again, I'm just gonna take this apart and then unravel it. Ooh, I'm looking at the camera. There you go. Boop. And this is how it's coming out. Like I said, see this, I didn't do too well with the ends. And as you can see, it's frizzy, but it's still cute. And then make sure you go and unbraid the plait. Try your best to like not mess up the coil. So try your best to not mess up your curl pattern. And when you're pulling your curls apart, you're going to pull it all the way through. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep doing this until I'm tired. Ooh.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down for me, niggas, that's the way I like it.
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
That's the way I like it.
Yeah, that's the way I like it.
Gonna smile for money, bitches.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down for me, niggas, that's the way I like it.
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my brand new pick, or you can take like a wide tooth comb like this, but I actually bought a pick. Look, yeah, Black History Month, period. And you're just gonna take it and you're going to kind of fluff it out. Pick out the curls, kind of undo the parts, because you don't want those harsh parts showing. We love a big, voluminous hair. I like to pick it out first before I start undoing the curls, because for me, I need to see how much I can play with it, like, because it get messed up while you pick. So I try not to mess with my hair too much as I pick, and then I can go and mess with the curls. That makes sense. It makes sense to me. All right, I'm gonna keep breaking this up, play with it, frame my face with it, and I'll be right back. Just like that, we are back and looking good. So I'm absolutely obsessed with my little curly cues. I can't wait for them to drop even more. I am going to add this glow and humidity spray. This is my stylist hair salon product. I don't know if they sell this in stores, but if it does, I'll leave it down below. So pretty much it's like a nice little shine to your hair, but also fights humidity, especially if you have like a silk press. Curls don't typically last long in my hair. But yeah, ooh, this smells so good. So it's gonna make your hair nice and shiny and fight against humidity. Also, I'm gonna keep this Tresemme extra hold on lock. I'm also keep this Tresemme hold on lock. Just when my curls drop to the perfect length, I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray it so that way it locks the curl. It's tight, but once it drops, it's going to look even better. But this is what we're looking like. Really obsessed how my hair came out. Like, look, curls for the girls for days. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you plan on trying any of my methods, comment down below. And also, if you're into any natural hair content, I have a whole playlist of natural videos. Until next time, bye.